The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Yadkin County in northwestern North Carolina until 4:15 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Courtney, or near Yadkinville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Yadkinville, Courtney, Lone Hickory, Shacktown, and Huntsville. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on X. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Yadkin, North Carolina,